All right, another quick tool review. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1/2-inch drive Pittsburgh breaker bar. You know, when you look at on the backside, it almost looks like either a snap-on or it looks like one of the Icon. You know, it's made in the same factory. They probably even use the same alloys. You know, you never know, and then they just charge you for the Icon name. But it's got that black and red theme, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? And another hardened plastic handle, injection molded with the rubber over mold here. So let's go ahead and take a look up close on here. Just the lighting down because I actually had it a little bit too high earlier. So let's go ahead and see. Let's gonna see how this looks here. You know, it's got the hardened steel torque screw in there. You guys are probably trying to see my reflection. But here you go on that one. All right, 1/2 inch. It's got a nice chrome finish on it all the way down to the back. There is no laser etching. I'm spinning it around. I don't see laser etching. You know, they keep it chromed out. So I wouldn't have bought this one first. I didn't want to spend the money on the Icon because, you know, there's still a lifetime warranty. You know, you don't really use these very often. And, you know, if it breaks, you just bring it back and they'll give you a replacement for it. So go ahead and grab a big socket, put it in there so you guys can see, you know, how it looks. Let me go ahead and grab, oh, hell yeah, one of these GearWrench or one of the Tech-10. We'll do this big dog, 1.5 inch. All right, put it on here. Bam! Do your thing, homie. Do your thing. Yeah. If you really want to get torqued out, let's put the big dog on here, homie. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about, man. Do the damn thing. Cause you know what they say. It ain't no thing but a chicken wing, homie. Yeah. All right, let's move on to the next tool.